Percentage initial part 1. Let's find out the amount of a particular percentage. First, we need to understand that any full amount is 100% unless we add any other amount to this amount or subtract from this. Example 1. In this question, we need to find out 40% of 80. 80 is 100%. Let's get a chocolate bar, for example, which is 100%. Let's think the chocolate bar is 80 gram, and we know 100% is 80 gram here. So 100% is equal to 80. If we divide the bar by 10, each part is 10%. So each part is worth 8 gram, as we need to also divide 80 by the 10. So 10% is equal to 8. Now we need 4 parts to get 40%, and by multiplying 8 by the 4 parts we get 32 gram. Therefore 40% is worth 32. 40% is equal to 32. So 32 is our answer. Let's find out the amount of a particular percentage, which is an odd percentage. Example 2. In this question, we need to find out 23% of 120, where 23 is an odd number. We know 120 is 100%, as 120 is the full amount here. Let's get a chocolate bar, for example, which is 100%. Let's think the chocolate bar is 120 gram. Do you know 100% is 120 gram here? So 100% is equal to 120. If we divide the bar by 10, each part is 10%. So each part is worth 12 gram, as we need to also divide 120 by the same 10. So 10% is equal to 12. Now we need 2 parts to get 20%. And by multiplying 12 by the 2 parts, we get 24 gram. Therefore 20% is worth 24. So 20% is equal to 24. As you need to work out 23%, we have the amount of 20%. Now we need another 3%. Let's get one part, which we know is 10% and worth 12. Dividing this 10% by 10, we get 1% each. And we also get the worth 1% of which is 1.2 after dividing 12 by the same 10. We need 3 parts to get 3%. Multiplying 1.2 by the same 3 parts, we get 3.6 gram. Now 20% and 3% is 23%. We know 20% is 24 and 3% is 3.6. Adding them together, we get 27.6. 23% is equal to 27.6. 23% of 120 is therefore 27.6. So 27.6 is our answer. We'll work out the amount of this percentage without in a diagram. Example 3. In this question, we need to find out 26% of 150. So 150 is 100%. 100% is equal to 150. If we divide 100% by 10, we get 10%. We also need to divide 150 by the same 10 and we get 15. So 10% is equal to 15. We can easily get 20% from 10% by multiplying by 2. So we multiply 15 by the same 2 and we get 30. Now we need another 6% to make up to 26%. To find 6%, we can first find out 1% dividing 10% by 10. So we divide 15 by the same 10 and we get 1.5. Since we know 1%, we multiply 1% by 6 to get 6%. So you multiply 1.5 by the same 6 and you get 9. 20% is 30 and 6% is 9. Adding 20% and 6%, we get 26%. Therefore, we add 30, which is 20%, and 9, which is 6%. So total is 39. So 26% of 150 is 39. 39 is the answer. Now pause the video and find out the amount of the given percentage. I'll give you the answers and you can check with your answers once you play the video back again. Answers. Number 1, 10% of 90 is 9. Number 2, 5% of 60 is 3. Number 3, 25% of 200 is 50. Number 4, 10% of 360 is 36. Number 5, 15% of 110 is 16.5. Number 6, 12% of 150 is 18. Number 7, 36% of 240 is 86.4. Number 8, 45% of 240 is 108. Number 9, 43% of 300 is 129. Number 10, 13% of 1700 is 221. Subscribe my channel and watch next lesson video about working out the percentage of an amount using fraction. Follow my page Homework Today on Facebook and visit www.homework.today for more lesson videos, materials and activities. Questions and comments welcome. Thank you for being with me.